Hey guys, this is Harshita and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll see how to make the street style paneer tawa burger. So it's a very simple and easy recipe. So these are the ingredients required for this recipe. Do take a look. Now without further ado, let's get started. So heat a pan and add about 5 tablespoons of oil. Add about 1 stick of butter. Now to this add 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, half a spoon of red chili powder and just saute it for about 10 seconds. Now to this add 2 to 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic, 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste and just saute it for about 15 seconds. Now add 2 large sliced onion finely chopped. This dish serves around 5 people, like you can make 5 burgers out of it. So adjust the quantity. So just saute it well and now add 1 medium sized capsicum finely chopped and saute it. Now I have a puree of 4 large sized tomatoes. Just give it a good mix. Now add about half a spoon of salt, 1 spoon of coriander or dhania powder, 1 spoon of pav bhaji masala, about 1/4 spoon of red chili powder or as per your requirement and give it a good mix. Now add about half a cup of water and just mix it well. Now let it cook on low to medium flame for about 5 minutes. Just keep mixing it in between because you don't want to burn the bottom. Now to this add 200 grams of paneer. I have crumbled the paneer and added it. Just give it a good mix. Now let it cook on medium flame for about 3 minutes, not more. Now add 1 to 2 cubes of cheese. You can use processed or mozzarella. I've used processed cheese. Let the cheese melt. Now add some finely chopped coriander leaves and give it a good mix and keep it aside. Now here I have a burger bun. Cut it into 2 halves. Now here I have a mixture of tomato ketchup and red chili sauce, about 3 spoons of tomato ketchup and 2 spoons of red chili sauce. Apply the sauce on one side and on the other side apply some mayonnaise. Now add the stuffing. Don't be stingy, add more because that's what gives us a really good taste. I've added about 3 spoons of the stuffing and there you go. Now repeat the same with the rest. So I could make about 6 burgers. Now heat a tawa and add 1 spoon of butter. After it melts, add a pinch of pav bhaji masala, some finely chopped garlic and some finely chopped coriander leaves and just saute it for about 5 seconds. Now after you get a really good aroma, toast the burgers on low flame. Make sure the flame is on low during the whole process. Now toast the buns for about 3 minutes on each side. This step is important, do not skip it. So repeat the same with the rest of the buns. So that's it guys, I hope you like this recipe. It's a super simple and a yummy one. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments if you like this recipe. Please like, share and subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.